But today, guys, I'm going to react to my cursed sound folders. I didn't even know I downloaded or I forgot about. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's go with the bottom. This is kind of okay. The bottom is sound effect. Yeah, it's not like that one very long, that one meme where that sound comes up and there's a very long thing to read. I'm going very fast because I already listened to these, but it was just so delayed on my stupid recorder. Okay, I'm gonna fuck now. Let's go to
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya keluar pada sahur. Konon kata.
Oh my goodness. And let's go cat scream. Wait, whoa. Yeah, I know that meme. Go on, that is very loud. Hey, let's call build up. Oh my goodness. Try to say it. Fire down! Yeah. Final. Yeah, in geometry there's there's a lot of levels that use that. Wow, as fuck. These sounds are kind of useless because I already deleted no sandbox. Yeah. Ugh. Ew. Ooh, yeah, that's good. These are
Meow.
okay. I don't even remember downloading these. No. It's big on me. So. No, I don't think that's a whistle, buddy. I don't think that's a whistle. You know, what's this? Oh, just another whistle. No! Oh my goodness. Bro, I like that. Yeah. DBWG. My baby crying. My baby crying when I yoink my phone away. Yeah. Ah! Okay. It's like, what just happened? But, oh, oops. Yo, oh. Yeah, it's just glitched, you know, whatever. Oh, send me to the store. Oh, wait, Gango Fire. Yeah, I'm style. Oh my god, this is all big music. Dude, that's the classic music in like 2022 or 2021 Tycoon for Babies music in Roblox, yeah. Wait, listen. Oh yeah, that local tutorial music. Oh yeah. We'll fuck it down. Oh, this is rough music. Yo, my boy is basic song, obviously. Has a lot of swears in it. How to drink water tutorial. Yeah, I heard that. Shut up. Isn't that like in one of a skeleton hanging on a fan, big fan, and just spinning around? Oh yeah, it's just just bass boosted and long Wait, this is the kill yourself, thunder. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh my god. My first gonna be very. Oh, what the fuck happened? Whatever. For that food box. Oh, you're going for it. Beatboxing ball. Okay. Come on, drop it. Anyways, let's go to Omega Falloon. Yeah, I did. Oh my god! Oh my god, are we serious? Okay, the Daisy Bell. Daisy, give me your afternoon. I'm half crazy on the love of you. You're riding around the marriage. I can't afford the carriage. Oh, look sweet upon the seat of a birthday cooking a cake. Okay, yeah, let's go. Oh my god. Ooh, Snap Circus. Oh, I love this music. I use that in one of the try to guess his face spooky song. What is this?
Ooh, a lemon.
Okay. What are these? I don't understand. Bible. Oh no. One time my brother told me that he secretly killed his girlfriend. Hey yo. Whoa, why did you say that? Yo! You got to explain something. Okay, whatever. Same garbage. Ooh, God, zombie scream. Oh my god, I couldn't recreate that. Okay. That wasn't even good. Okay. Do the sounds. Okay, whatever. Oh, yeah, I am. What? I don't understand. Yeah, okay. Anyways, that's the end. Part 2 later because we're at halfway. Yay!